Book here, doing another Phantom sealed event early on a Saturday morning. It took forever to queue up. I guess Magic players aren't morning people. Well, that's all right. We got in here. I'm trying to see if I have anything that catches my eye. And now I mean, Absent Guy's good. Snowhorn Rider's good. Sagumaler. Okay, Sagumaler. So that's definitely high on the list. So I'm leaning towards Timur. Ponyback Brigade. I mean, it's pretty good, but I just don't like playing tokens. I don't think I do a good job of it. I don't like playing quite that wide, so yeah, it just doesn't really do it for me. I also want to make sure that I have the dual lands to play what I want. Because bombs are all well and good. Oh yeah, here's Timur right here. Bombs are all well and good, but if you can't get the magic to play them, they don't do you any good. So yeah, I guess probably do. I got some triple. That's two of the Teamer colors, and then I've got these two. So it's okay. That's okay. I'm not completely sold on Teamer yet. Probably, I've got Barrage of Boulders. Now I'm trying to find. I've got the bigger cards I want to play picked out. The Woolly Loxodon, Sagumaler, Snowhorn Rider. So now I'm looking for removal. Removal and burn, whatever. And I'm not seeing a whole lot. I mean, Barrage of Boulders, 1 damage, doesn't do much. I mean, Falter Effect's kind of nice, but and then Throttle, which I would have to splash black to even play. But I don't see a lot of other cards in black that I would want to splash for. Yeah, I'm a little Savage Punch. I guess that could be works as removal as well. I'm trying to see. I'll find Grizzly's solid. See if there's any other green. I guess there's some creatures. Oh, I'm playing green anyway. Sorry, mine's going a mile a minute here. It's hard to comment and build and play at the same time, so I apologize for that. See, got some. I'm playing blue, Sing Bell Strike. Okay, alright. I'm liking how this is coming together. So, let's start off with the musts. That was an accident. That did not mean to do that. There we go. Then Sagumaler, Snowhorn Rider, Inoc Tracker. Sounds pretty good, but yeah, not yet. Not yet. Canyon Lurkers are alright. Okay, again, sorry, I'm getting distracted here. Let's go with the musts. I'll strike. I love that card. Crippling Chill's pretty good, but I don't want to put it in just yet. We Fate. Whirlwind Adept. Blinding Spray. It's pretty good. Excuse me. Barrage of Boulders. Holding Outburst. Again, yeah, it's not that good token. Oh, Heart Piercer. I love this card. There's some burn. Swift Kick. See, Savage Punch is so much better than Swift Kick. They're similar cards, but man, so much better. That's a good sideboard card to have. Smoke Tellers, solid 2/2 for 2. When the the effect is always nice. when you're playing against a bunch of morphs. So, Highland game, I mean, yeah, again, it's okay. Do like Valley Dasher. Force away. It's good. Get some bounce in there. Long Shot Squad. I love Long Shot Squad. Alpine Grizzly. So creature wise. Okay, so those are the only creatures that I feel like I must take. Now I'm trying to find. Oh, that's good. Some mana fixing in there. Plus he's a you can block decently well. Block against morphs at least. Not dying. So creatures. I've had more success with this set lately playing lighter on creatures and heavier on non-creature spells. So I'll probably do 13 creatures to start off with, and then tinker from there. Oh, Inoc Tracker, he's pretty good. He's kind of expensive though. I mean, his morph cost makes him okay, but yeah, it's kind of expensive. And I like, 5/2 is good. It hits hard. Maybe I'll do that. I still may tweak it. Oh, Winter Flame. How could I have missed this? I'm an idiot. So, Bloodfire Expert. Pretty good. Okay, let's do. I may take more creatures out later. Let's just put in what I want now, and then we'll kind of pare it down. Before I forget, let's do the non-basics here. So hopefully that's enough mana fixing to keep me where I want to be here. Okay. 25, 3 lands. Okay, so that's about perfect right now. Excuse me, maybe let's do one more card. Yeah, let's do one more non-creature spell. Act of Treason. I'm leaning towards. Oh, I mean, I guess Treasure Cruise is always good too. Yeah, I guess I don't have any delve. So this would be my only delve. So let's do that. No, you don't want to run too much delve unless you've got some way of fueling it. Okay. Now let's look at my curve here. Pretty good. Inoc Tracker is a morph. So let's put them there. Same here. Okay, well, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good curve there. So then, pretty even on colors too. Okay. Let's see what it suggests. 5/5/4. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I don't know. It's fine with me. I'm not gonna get too bogged down about it. Okay. So we're up to 40, 15 creatures. I know I said I tended to run a little lighter on creatures, but I also usually end up with a bit more removal Rite of the Serpent, Murderous Cut, things like that. Um, this is a little light this time, so I guess I'll run heavier creatures than normal. Still got a decent amount of burn here though. Winter Flame, Mardu Heart Piercer, um, Barrage of Boulders, things like that. So yeah, I guess I'll just go with this. We'll see how it works out. Alright, see you game.
Hey, thanks for watching this draft section, and I want to encourage you to continue watching the rest of this tournament so you can see how well this deck performs. But nonetheless, if you want to see more drafting, you can go ahead and click on the video to my right, your left, to see last week's draft. And last but not least, if you like what we're doing here at Wayfaring Games and want to be a part of growing this community, I strongly encourage you to click on the subscription link above. All right, I'll see you then. Did you click on it yet? I don't think you clicked on it yet. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit.